Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see why I did this holiday look, then keep on watching. So today my look, I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to be creating an halo eye, a gold halo eye. So first I went in with that dark shade. I'll list all the colors that I used down below. So I went in and I had that into the crease where I'm going to be cutting the crease, and then blend out the harsh edges with the harsh edges with some lighter shades. So I'm going to repeat the same process on both eyes, so please just watch and learn. As you can see, I'm ensuring that everything blends seamlessly to ensure there's no harsh edges or anything, no harsh lines. In the process of doing so, I lost some of that darker shade, so I went in and added some more, and then I'm going to blend again. So now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and use that to carve out my crease. And then I'm going to use a brush to pat away the excess product so I can lay down my shadows, because I don't want it to look cakey or clumpy or anything. I just want it to look smooth and nice. Now that I cut both creases, I'm going to go in with that deep shade that I used in the crease again and add that to the inner and outer corners to create that inner outer corners of the eyes to create that halo effect. Now I'm going to go into that gold shimmer shade and add that into the middle to get that glistening halo look, and then blend out the harsh edges. So I'm going to add some glitters to the gold parts, some gold glitters. So before adding the glitters, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black and use that to do a wing liner, and then add the glitter. So I went ahead and add my glitter and lashes off camera, and now I'm going to prime my face using the Maybelline Baby Face Primer and add that all over my face, and then go in with my foundation. The foundation that I'll be using is the True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and it's from CoverGirl, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. So my foundation routine remains the same, where I light contour, add my powders, and yeah. So just please watch and learn. I'm gonna speed this part up. After blending the concealer out that I use to highlight, I also ensure that I always ensure that I go in with my foundation brush and use that to blend out like the edges to get rid of any harshness. Now I'll be going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'll be using that to set my highlighted areas. So it's under my eyes, my chin, down the bridge of my nose and my forehead, and then I'm going to go in and contour. So as you can see, I'm doing something that I call a quick bake. I don't add too much products, and then I'm going to go ahead and powder contour, and I'm using my Ismaray palette to do the contour. And then as soon as I'm done contouring, I'm going to go ahead and pat that excess powder in my skin that I use for the baking. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face using this rose mist, and I'm going to be covering my eyes because I don't want it to get into the shadow and everything. I don't want it to be running. Then I'm going to let that dry. While I'm waiting for my face to dry, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes using those transition shades. Now I'm going to go back into my Ismaray palette, and I'm going to use that to highlight my face. So I'm going to add it to the eyes parts of my cheeks, right in the center of my nose, tip of my nose, and also my chin. For the final touches of my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and add my Stila mascara, and then I'm going to finish up my look doing my lips, which I'll be using just a regular brown lip liner, lip pencil, or eye pencil, whichever, it's brown. And then I'm going to use my NYX lingerie, two of my NYX lingerie liquid lipstick in corset, and I'll list the shades below. So I went ahead and snatched my wig on, and yes, I made this wig. You can place your orders. I do sell my own bundles, so yeah, here you go, guys. This is a final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button, and also click that notification bell so you never miss another upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. Share this video, tell a friend, and thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. I can't stress it enough. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.